Hi there, it's me, Lottie, and today we are taking a taste and a look at herbal-based alternatives to soda pop, sports drinks, vitamin waters, those kinds of beverages that can be full of chemicals and dye and artificial flavorings and sugar. The first drink that we tasted was of Caribbean origin and it's called switchel. I just get excited by it's the whole process that gets me going. Oh, here. You didn't make your finish your Switchel is a vinegar-based drink that is very easy to make. It is basically 1 part ginger, 1 part organic brown sugar, or a sweetener of your choice. A lot of times it's made with maple syrup or honey or molasses, and 1 part apple cider vinegar. Now, we were creative and added some fresh herbs too. This can be done in a hot method where you simmer it for 20 minutes or place it in the refrigerator for about a week. The next vinegar-based beverage we tried is called a shrub. It's a lot like switchel, but it is fruit-based, and this was a blueberry shrub. And what I think this would be particularly good with is try it with basil. I think blueberry basil might be a good combination. We poured it over ice and added sparkling water. You can also add fresh filtered water. These are like drink concentrates, so a little bit goes a long way, and you can serve them at your outdoor barbecue or a kid's birthday party, or they also make the base of a great cocktail for a happy hour. And speaking of happy, there was the super sexy citrus syrup that featured grapefruit and lemon and lime and rosemary and dandelion leaf infused into a simple syrup that would just make an awesome addition to a gin or vodka-based drink, or like we had it with sparkling water or even filtered plain water. This was my favorite, just saying. Any of these would make a great addition to your summer beverage menu, or get creative with combinations of your own. Stay hydrated, add some herbs into the mix, and be healthy. All right, until next time, take care.